Hello everyone. So this is Paul again, and I just wanted to show you the inside of a bathroom here at the train station at Fork, Switzerland. Now they have these bathrooms all over Europe, and this one happens to be a really big one. And you'll notice I'm standing on this metal grate because when I leave, it self-cleans. This bathroom self-cleans, and the floor drops down, and the cleaning unit comes up and cleans around the bathroom. So here's the toilet. Of course, here's a urinal. This is for children, changing babies and all. I'm not sure it self-cleans all the time. Yeah, so we have 15 minutes. We have a 30-minute time here. And here's an emergency button here. Let me get a close-up of this here. I know this is a weird, here's a locking video to make, but these are very different from what we have in the United States. I also want to show you this. So if you're taking medication or have needle uses, you drop the needle in here, not in the, what's the trash? Oh, I don't see the trash actually. Oh, here it is. Here's the trash. So, and then you have a wash basin with soap, you know, and railing for handicapped, and railing for handicapped. So yeah, big handles. It's all, of course, stainless steel, as you can see. And here's our air refresh unit. Also, this for handicapped. Okay. So when I leave, and I unlock the door and I leave, it's going to clean itself. Now I'm not really sure about this toilet paper and things like that. If it gets wet, I'm not sure. But isn't that interesting? Okay, so now you've been in here. Very strange. Very strange. Okay, I'm going to take off. Okay, the train's coming. Okay. Like and subscribe if you wish. Hit the bell button for notifications. And comment. Always comment. Okay. Bye-bye. Whoa. Close the door. And there we have it. Here's the locking mechanism. Okay. Train station.